Let's see what Molly got. Mine was a cute. Molly got 2 presents. Molly got 2 presents. Molly got 2.
She got 2.
So you get to open 2 presents. Huh? I got it. Oh, here's your other present.
No, Nathan.
Let's let her do this one.
She hasn't even opened it yet. Just to see what's inside.
Go ahead, Molly.
Inside the box. Inside here. Inside here.
Yep, lift up the lid.
Is it big? This one is little.
Open it.
You can see what's in it. A cool jacket. I got a cool.
Look, Nathan. Molly got a cool jacket.
It's white.
It's white.
No, it's
What else is in there, Molly?
Wait, Nathan.
Molly, what else is inside?
Okay. Shorts. A dress.
A dress.
It's pretty. Pretty. That's what I got.
Wait. And what else? Stuff it behind you.
Tights.
And the
Oh, look at the dress.
That is such a pretty dress, Molly.
Now let's see what I got.
Will you wear it to church on Sunday?
Yeah. Let's see what I got. And a new jacket.
You wear it with the dress
Let's see what I got. Let's see if I got Mario.
and the tights.
See if I got